How to sell your crypto for cash or money on the crypto.com app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video I will show you how you can sell your cryptocurrency for cash from the crypto.com app, so you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first things first, just go ahead and then make sure to open up your crypto application over here, which is the crypto.com app. Then you want to click on where it says trade, which is at the very top of the screen. Once you choose the option called trade, you'll have two options to buy or sell it, and since we're learning to sell, we'll just choose the option called sell from the bottom right. Over here, just select the cryptocurrency that you want to sell, enter the worth of BTC or any of the other cryptocurrency that you want to sell. So you want to make sure that you're under the Fiat wallet tab, because that's basically how you can choose to buy or sell it. And after you do that, just go ahead and enter your worth of that you want to send, and then here you'll again be able to see the equivalent to that. So once you enter the equivalent, you can also choose to max it out or clear it if you would like, and then after that choose the option called sell from the bottom. Then you'll find the option all of the amounts that you want to buy, as well as the rate, the fee that is associated with it, the method, which is BTC crypto wallet, as well as the total cost that is going to cost you, and then just choose the option called confirm from the bottom. Once you've done that, you can see it says we've sold this much BTC successfully. And that's all it takes to sell your cryptocurrency for money or cash on the crypto.com app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.